I'm testing out the newest side hustle app that I've been doing. It's called Hetal.
This one's a little bit different. Number one, the best part is you could reserve the gigs for multiple days. It's not like Field Agent where you only have 4 hours or like Moby where you can't reserve anything. And I was already out doing Field Agent. I had a couple gigs at a Publix pretty much in the same shopping center. So I'm going to go record it with my meta glasses, show you guys exactly how to do these and make some extra money. You have to do videos, not photos. So I'll show you how to do it, how to get approved, and how to make money. So this is what the app is going to look like. And there's a bunch in my area that pay pretty high, but like at least twice as much as Field Agent or Moby. I see some $10, some even $17.50. Today I have reserved at Sprouts. I'm right here outside of the store, and this one is $7 for one category. So we're gonna press continue. Before I start any gig on any app that I've never done before, I always read the instructions so I'm not walking around the store not knowing what I'm doing. So this gig was asking for a section inside of Sprouts called the Forager Finds. So if you do this gig, I'll show you exactly how to do it and where this is. It was like in the main aisle. It was a four-sided display with a bunch of stuff on it. And then the task for this gig, all you have to do is take a video of each side. So there's four sides. So you're going to take a nice clear video and then you're going to upload the videos. And that's pretty much it. Similar to Field Agent on Moby, where you'd have to go take a picture. But this app is videos, which is really interesting. And it also makes the gig go even faster. You could download the app by using the link in the description. So now I didn't know where this section was, so I was searching on my phone. So I was able to figure out on my phone and with help of an employee. So this is what we're looking for. It's a four-sided display. I think it has like new products on it. That exact sign that was in the app is there, so we're good. Kind of like a scavenger hunt, pretty fun. And then now I am going to start the test. It wants a video of each side of this display. I had to stand back pretty far to get the whole thing top and bottom in my video. So now I'm going to open the camera. I think I needed to give my phone access to the camera with this app. And then now we open the camera, make sure my camera isn't all smudged, and I'm getting a nice clear video, getting this whole thing in the video. If you need a little bit more room to get it in your video, you could move your phone. A lot of the other tasks on this app, you're going to have to do a whole aisle, so you're going to have to get used to taking nice clear videos. So I'm getting the video of this side, and then I am getting the video of the front side over here, making sure these are clear. And then since they're videos, it's going to take a little longer for you to upload them. So just keep in mind, maybe you could upload, connect to the store's Wi-Fi or something, but that was one thing to keep in mind. And then now I am getting the other side. This side was much smaller, so I was able to just stand back and get a video of the whole thing. Super easy, just what I'm used to from doing all of the other gigs, Field Agent, Moby, Observa. You go to the store, you have to find a certain part of the store, a certain section, certain display, and get pictures. In this case, it's going to be videos. So there we go. And what I've noticed with this gig app is that for now that it pays a lot more. This is something that Field Agent would probably pay like $2 to $5 for, and this one paid 7. And I do a lot of other gigs at Sprouts. I'm always coming to Sprouts. I'm always doing shop and delivers here. Actually, when I left this store, right when I left the store, as I was driving away, I got a shop and deliver for Uber. So keep that in mind that this app alone isn't going to be a full-time side hustle. But if you're out doing gigs, you're out doing Field Agent, if you're out doing Uber Eats, DoorDash, this is a great way to add some extra income. Or if you just happen to be shopping at one of these stores, I shop at Sprouts all the time. There's a lot of gigs in my area at Publix, Walmart, places that I go to anyway. So definitely a great app to start. And then that was it. I had to go get the video of all 4 of these sides. And then now I'm going to press upload and I'm walking back to my. If you guys want one of the newest side hustle apps to replace old apps, Moby's going away, and this one is going to be my replacement. Click the link down below to sign up for this app. And if you have any questions while you're out there doing any of these gigs, comment on this video and I'll try to help you guys out right away.